Hello, I'm Mrs. Creviston, and today I'm going to show you how to extract DNA using some common household things. So what I'm going to be using to extract my DNA from is a strawberry. You could use other food items that you might have, so spinach, broccoli, green peas, even liver would work. So have a little bit of fun, experiment and see what you can find with it. But I like using strawberries because they are very soft and squishy and easy to work with. And they also have a whole lot of DNA. They have 8 sets of DNA. They're called octoploid. We have 2 sets and we're called diploid. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your strawberry and you're going to put it in a plastic baggie. It doesn't matter if it's a fresh strawberry or a frozen strawberry. Mine happens to be a frozen one that I've thawed out. And then you get to smash it up. So very carefully so you don't puncture your bag. Take your strawberry and you want to mash it up really good. So you want to mash for about 2 minutes. So I'll see you back in a couple of minutes when my strawberry is all smashed up. All right, so I've been mashing my strawberry for a couple of minutes and it's all nice and smushed. So now I'm going to make my extraction liquid. So take a cup and fill it about halfway with water. Just regular old tap water. And then we're going to add to it some salt. So we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. So. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of detergent, liquid dish soap. The great thing about this experiment is it doesn't have to be super precise, which makes it really easy to do at home. So 2 spoonfuls of soap, and then we're going to gently stir this up until the salt is all dissolved. Try not to make a ton of bubbles. All right, that sounds pretty good. Can't hear the salt anymore. And so now I'm going to add about 2 or 3 teaspoons of my extraction solution to my plastic baggie with my strawberry. I'm going to add 3, and then I can't get a full teaspoon, so I'll get 1 more. Again, seal up your bag nice and tight. And now I'm going to mix this for 2 minutes. So again, I'll see you back in about 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes and my liquid is now thoroughly mixed with my smushed up strawberry. And my next step is to strain the liquid. So I want to get rid of all that strawberry pulp and all the thick parts of my strawberry, and I just want the liquid. So to strain it, I'm going to use a coffee filter. You could also use like a metal strainer that you might have at home. You can even use some pieces of paper towel. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it into another clean cup, and I'm going to gently, carefully pour my liquid into my strainer. It's going to go down here for a minute. That's okay. Make sure I get all that liquid out. So I can already see that liquid starting to come out. We're going to just let this sit here for a couple minutes until we get all of that liquid out and leave all the pulpy part of the strawberry behind. All right, so I am done extracting my liquid out of my filter, and I've got this nice pretty liquid, and it's just the liquid from the strawberry along with that water and that soap and nothing else, none of the thick chunky parts. So next we're going to transfer it into another container. Now I'm going to use, the thinner the container, the better. And so I am using a test tube, but if you had just a real thin glass, that would work the best. Or you could even do it still in this cup if you wanted to. But the thinner the container, the better. So I'm going to pour some of that liquid in there. And our last step is to get the separation of the DNA out of our strawberry. And so what we're going to use is some regular rubbing alcohol, or isopropyl alcohol. And then your alcohol needs to be really cold. So you want to take it and you want to put it in the refrigerator or the freezer for several hours. And don't worry about it, it won't freeze solid in the freezer. and we're going to carefully pour it down the side of the container. We don't want it to mix with the strawberry liquid, and it'll sit right on top. What this is going to do, it's going to pull the DNA out. It's already, I can see these little bubbles that are coming up. That is my DNA. And so there we have it. We have extracted DNA out of a strawberry. So give it a try at home. Try some other foods too. See if you can get some DNA to come out of them.